In the vast, sparkling expanse of the ocean, where sunlight danced on the waves, there was a hidden discord. Beneath the surface, the creatures of the sea lived in separate, wary groups. The vibrant coral reef fish swam with the sleek, silver schools of the open water, and the wise old turtles kept to their ancient currents, avoiding the playful pods of dolphins. The ocean was beautiful, but it was not whole. Among the dolphins lived a young one named Echo. Echo was different. While others loved to race and leap, Echo's greatest joy was to listen. He listened to the rhythmic pulse of the tides, the gentle hum of the coral, and the whisper of the seaweed swaying in the currents. He noticed that every creature, every plant, every drop of water had its own unique sound, its own special note in the grand symphony of the sea. One day, watching the divided communities, a deep sadness filled Echo's heart. He saw fear where there should be friendship and silence where there should be celebration. He felt a powerful urge to change things, to show everyone the harmony he could hear. Closing his eyes, Echo began to sing. It wasn't the usual clicks and whistles of his pod. It was a new song, a melody woven from everything he had ever heard. He sang of the coral's steady hum, a note of strength and patience. He wove in the swift, shimmering sound of the barracuda, a note of focus and grace. He added the slow, deep rhythm of the migrating whales, a note of ancient wisdom. His song was a tapestry of sound, celebrating the unique beauty of every single creature. It was a melody that spoke not of one, but of all. At first, the ocean's inhabitants were startled. The clownfish peeped from their anemones, and the stern sharks paused their patrol. But as Echo's song swelled and traveled through the water, something magical happened. The melody was so pure, so full of love and understanding, that it resonated deep within each creature. The little shrimp felt the whale's strength, and the mighty whale understood the shrimp's delicate dance. Slowly, hesitantly, a small, brightly colored parrotfish, the safety of the reef, and swam towards a group of tuna. A young turtle, mesmerized by the melody, drifted over to watch the dolphins play. For the first time, the invisible walls between them began to dissolve. They saw each other not as strangers, but as fellow members of the great oceanic orchestra, each with a vital part to play. Echo's song became a legend, a living current of unity that flowed through the waters. He taught everyone that their differences were not something to fear, but were the very notes that made their shared world so rich and beautiful. The ocean was no longer just a collection of separate lives. It became a single, harmonious community, forever bound by the dolphin's song of peace and togetherness. And so, the ocean thrived, more vibrant and joyful than ever before. Echo's legacy reminds us that one voice, speaking with love and courage, has the power to unite us all, turning discord into harmony. Thank you so much for joining us on this underwater journey. If this story touched your heart, please give us a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more tales that inspire. We'll see you next time.